Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with Microsoft step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of web development. Research the different programming languages commonly used in web development. Focus on languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, explore Microsoft technologies that support web development. Consider learning about ASP.NET for building dynamic web applications. Familiarize yourself with Microsoft Azure for cloud-based hosting and services. Create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. Download Visual Studio, a powerful integrated development environment. Use Visual Studio to practice coding and build small projects. Look for online tutorials or courses that focus on Microsoft web development tools. Join communities or forums centered around Microsoft web development. Explore Microsoft Learn, a platform offering comprehensive resources and documentation. Utilize free resources like GitHub for version control and collaboration. Start working on personal projects to apply your skills practically. Consider participating in hackathons or coding competitions to gain real-world experience. Research potential job openings in companies that use Microsoft technologies. Tailor your resume to highlight the skills and technologies you've learned. Network with professionals in the field through platforms like LinkedIn. Continue to refine your skills by taking advanced courses or certifications. Stay updated with the latest trends and updates in web development and Microsoft technologies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.